All right, onliners, welcome to class. Okay, we're in week number 2. We only have 16 more to go. So we're gonna do a countdown every week. So again, there's gonna be an introductory video every week. Sometimes it'll be me, sometimes it'll be my voice, sometimes it'll be a cartoon, it'll be a little something that will just introduce the concepts that we're working on for the week. That's going to work you through this module. Okay, so thank you for hanging in there with me for week 1 orientation. We had a couple glitches, we worked through them. If you did everything you were supposed to do, you got the points, and I made adjustments to them. But if you did what you're supposed to do, you got your points. Okay, so now we're gonna dive in to business now. The only constant is change. That's the name of this chapter. Okay, so what we're going to talk about this week, we're going to talk about the business environment, so the 5 dimensions of the business environment and how they make a critical difference to our economy. We'll talk a little bit about nonprofits and their role in the economy. We'll talk about how business relies on production, so the factors that they rely on to get that done as well. And then last but not least, we'll talk about the evolution of modern business. Yeah, we'll talk about how business has evolved in the era that we're in now. So, all right, so when you finish this video, you need to go and do your chapter readings. I'm always going to ask you to do those first. You will have an assignment that you need to do. Actually, you'll have to look at the lectures. So do your chapter assignment and then look at the lectures. They are going to be on tabbed pages. I do that to break it up into bite-sized chunks. So each tab is, a couple of topics. So you can bust through them all in one shot, or you can do a tab and relax and then do another tab. So your lectures will be a combination of text you have to read and videos you have to watch, or some of the videos are me, some of them are outside resources, but all of the concepts in the class will be covered in the videos that are in those tab sections. Also, don't forget to do your quiz and your discussion board. As always, the discussion board is post your opinion and reply to 2 of your classmates' opinion. That's really what we're looking for, okay? All right, and if you have any more questions, I got the best questions from students of things that I thought I had described completely great and needed some clarification. So if you have any questions, please inbox me or use the water cooler. That's the space where you can ask any questions, okay? All right, that's it, onliners. I will see you in the cloud.